Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can insert a calendar or a date picker in Excel. So let's move on. First go to developer tab. If it is not already enabled for you, go to file tab, options, customize ribbon, and from here make sure to enable it. Now click on add-ons and search by typing calendar. So this is the add-on we need. We'll open it and install by clicking on add. Once added, click on it and open it. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, the calendar is visible in our worksheet, which we can easily use to pick a date and insert it. You can also rearrange its position by dragging it wherever you want. Let's add now our report's submission due date. We'll click on the cell where we need to insert the date and pick the date from calendar. Same as it is, we can add other dates as well. You can also make other changes from these settings such as calendar theme, size, etc. If you wanna hide or delete the calendar, you can select it and press delete button. To get it back, go to the add-ons again and open it from here. So that's all for today. I hope this was helpful. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.